my second career. This is a career shift for me from what I was doing before. And I started my journey with ACT in 2020. Since then, it's been fantastic. I'm still a student. So I'm not saying I'm not. I'm still a student and a teacher. But phonology for me is very fascinating. I love listening to different accents, listening to how people speak, and also to be able to teach it in, as ma'am said, to teach it in a neutral accent, which is a challenge, but I find it very interesting. And that's why anything is phonology, I want to listen, I want to understand more, see where I can keep improving myself. So this has been an excellent session, because even when we've gone through, I've done my phonology course with ACT as well. I've done my TESOL and phonology, and I'm doing my B.Ed now. And I did the train the trainer. You were there in Bangalore when I did it last year. Yes, so it's a very interesting topic. Excellent. Thank you so much for sharing all the information with us, because you always pick up something new. It's not that we know everything and we're experts. You always pick up something new. Thanks again.